Alright guys, so Oregon Motorcycle back with another episode. It is the Thursday Eastside ride, and we're doing it. This is our group tonight. These two guys right here are subscribers. They're gonna check out the ride tonight. So he's on an R6. This is another CB500X. This is an older model than mine. You guys can see right here, he's got the crash bars, a skid plate, and bark busters and all that good stuff. And we got some of the normal, I don't know who these people are, but that looks like is that a 790? Sure looks like it. Alright. Alright, we're good. Come on! Got freaking Team Dual Sport behind me. There's a 250L Rally and the 701 Sumo, and then that homebrew 650 thing.
I'm real worried about like it melting.
Yeah.
It's like this battery box thing is real tight. I put a lot of
oh yeah, that heat tape, yeah. Crazy.
And I made this like fiberglass body panel here, and I'm worried about that getting too hot.
Oh, that's the little muffler right there.
Yeah.
That's a trip, dude. Dang.
So we're doing a little bit different route tonight. We are headed south. Gonna hit some new roads. We're gonna do different roads that we usually don't do. So this might be like a little bit more mellower ride tonight, which is cool. I'm good with that. Last night's ride was crazy. I seen a comment about last night's ride. It's like, I don't know what to change first, my oil or my underwear after those rides. And it's true. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Mr. Policeman, it's a nice KTM. That's a 1290 KTM. This is a newer looking one. And yeah, that looks to be a 790 right there. And that is a nice looking bike, man. And they sound, you know, that's one thing I like about KTMs. They sound, you know, they're rough and mean and tough, but okay, that's what I figured. No, I know, it's all good. I'm just checking out your bikes. So the KTMs, they sound mean and gnarly and rough and all that stuff, but they got this like refined sewing machine type of like sound. It's kind of hard to explain. So I dig the sound of a KTM. I like it. So I don't know. Anyways, just rambling on. All right. So I'm gonna listen to some music. It's time. We're just cruising through downtown Oregon City right now. And I'll catch back with you guys in a little bit. That's a sweet bike. I like it. Yeah? What's that? Oh yeah, yeah. Woo. Where the f did that car come from? What? No? That's so alright. I know that road, just going up the other way, don't realize it. Yeah, sweet.
Dave, Mike, and Dennis. Don't worry about it. Came up out of OC. Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. This is not a typical route for me, so I kind of got lost.
Alright, we're up here at Ball Peak.
I don't want to disturb them by saying everybody titties.
Everybody.
Headed back to. Gonna go back to Dave's place, I think. We're gonna head back down this Bald Peak for a nice, awesome ride back.
I'm not driving another goddamn mile into the sun.
And we're not driving another goddamn mile back into the sun, if you heard that. So, max is at about a little over 100, like 105-ish, somewhere in there.
I had like 107 on mine.
Yeah, it depends. You get tucked down going downhill, you probably get 107. I think I've seen 109 before going downhill, but I mean, any bit of going uphill at all, I mean, it's not even going to get over 100.
Yeah, I noticed too. With stuff on there, I noticed the news is a little slow, about 35 pounds.
Yeah. So we're gonna head down, get out of here, go to the meetup spot. Thank you guys for hanging out for this little video. This is the Thursday Eastside ride. Yeah. Off we go.